Hi dear all students, how are you? Today we will start our next practice set of second lesson number work, that is problem set number 5. I hope you understand from previous videos our 4 part which told us about set 4. Total set 4 we completed. I hope you completed your homework. Today in problem set 5, our question number first is write the place value of underlined digit. They gave their 5 examples in which every example have one underlined digit. That number's place value we have to write as a answer. So how to write here? I wrote on board 2 examples. First is 78 lakh 95,210. You may split the number and write upside the reading purpose, the place name. So you can read 78 lakh 95,210. In this example, they shown 7 is underlined digit. So we have to write value of 7. From reading, you can see here the value of 7 is 7 lakh. One more trick to write this number is write the number of which place value you have to write. Which you want to write, take that digit as it is down in answer place. And after that digit, how many places were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count like this way. And 6 places, so give here 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And now give comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, comma. The place value of this 7 is here 70 lakh. The place value is here 70 lakh. This is your answer. Now one more example I will tell you. They gave 5. Fourth one we are looking. The number is shown here 5 digit number and the number is 50,000. The number is 50,000. Your underlined digit is 0. You have to take that 0 as it is down. The place value of this 0 is 0 only. In your number, if any number is given, any digit is given 0, the place value of that digit is automatically come 0. So no need to do more. For one more example I will show so you can better understand. Suppose the number is here and underlying digit is here 0. For example, the number is 52,056 and the underlying digit is 0. Which place value we have to write? That time you will take that 0 as it is, and by our method if you see after the 0 2 digits were there. If we give 2 more 0 ahead, 1 2, so 1 2, 3 zeros are equivalent to only 1 0. This means at any place when 0 is there as a digit whose value you have to tell, place value is automatically come 0. No need to go again for the solution. Directly you can write answer as a 0. I hope you understand this first question. More 3 questions are there, sub questions. You will complete in notebook like this way, the number and the place value. This is your answer, that is place value. You may write this answer in word also if you want. Suppose here 0 is answer, so you write in word 0. This is 70 lakh, so write here 70 lakh. So like this way, you please complete as a homework remaining 5 questions in your notebook. Hope so you understand. Can we start for our question number 2? What is our question number 2 here? Write the numbers in the expanded form. Already dear student, you learn all these tricks, all this way in your primary sections too. Only high school section this lesson added more digit. The place value of that digit is more. Otherwise you solve already this for 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. So I hope you clear that basic knowledge there. But it's again revised part. Numbers are here. Write the numbers in the expanded form. Number 1 is, question is here, 56. You can split again, student. Give comma. This is 100 place, 1000 place and lakh place. So you will read once. 56 lakh 43,215. Now we want to write this number in expanded form. Expanded form means in the form of addition. In a horizontal way, we have to write first one by one digit. We will go from left to right. You understand well, so you can solve remaining rest problem for your practice purpose and completion purpose. See students, 5. First digit is here 5. Take that 5 as it is. Then count the digit after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So give here 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma. This is the place value of first digit. Our first digit work is over now. For expanded form, give addition sign after that. Give addition sign. Then write next digit. Now don't think about this back side. We will not take that digit. We have to go ahead from the current digit. The current digit is now, next digit is 6. Write that 6 as it is. And after 6, listen carefully. After 6, count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't count the digit itself. After that digit, you have to start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here give 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, comma. Understand? Again, sign is here next. Plus sign. Next number is 4. Write that 4 as it is. After 4, count the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give your 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 40,000. Plus sign. The next digit is 3. After 3, 1, 2, 3. So give 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, comma. 3,000. Next digit is 2 plus 2. After 2, 2 digits. So here 200 plus next digit is 1. After 1, only 1 digit. So 10. And last digit is 5. 5 is a unit place, so no need to add. After 5, nothing is there. So don't add any digit here. These are the place values of each digit in given number. We wrote from left to right and we wrote with the place value in addition form, which shows us the expanded form of the given number. I hope so you understand this simple trick to write the expanded form. If you add this number horizontally or vertically, adve किंवा उभे, anyway, if you add these all numbers in each others, you will get again as an answer the given number. Means your answer is correct. This is called as a tally method, whether your answer is right or wrong. Understand student? Give a look on board. I will take one more example of expanded form so you can solve the remaining rest. See properly. So students, previous example we saw how to split the number and how to write that in the addition form. One more example of the same question I will take of question number 2. Second problem we will look here. See student, we split the number, so it is a 100 place and it is a 1000 place. Read the number 70,815. We have to write that in expanded form. Again you have to go in the same way. 7. First digit is 7. Write as it is. After 7, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So give your 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, comma. First place value of first digit is over. Give addition sign. See, student, here 0 came. I explained in a first example well way. When 0 is there, no need to write in the expanded way. You can write 0 place value only directly 0, because after 0 if you write 3 zeros is equivalent to 1 0 only. plus sign. Number 8 is next. After 8, 2 digits were there, so 2 zeros, plus sign. 1. After 1, only 1 digit is there, so 1 plus last digit is always unit place, so only 5, no 0. This is the expanded form of second question. Remaining 3 problems, more sub 3 questions were there, 3rd, 4th and 5th. This you will complete as a homework. In question number 2, we have 5. Now student, I will not take question number 3 now in this video. We'll learn that in the next video. Before that, I will take question number 4 because it's a vice versa procedure of question number 2. So I will link with it here. Not in sequence, no matter, but they are connected to each other. See, what is the question number 4, students? Question number 4 is here. The expanded form of number is given. Reverse of this. Here number is given, we wrote expanded form. Now they gave expanded form, we will make that number. So I took this question number 4 in this video. See the question number 4, I wrote first sub question on board. See how to solve. If you understand one, you can solve many. So if you have confidence, you can add them in a horizontal way. If not, it's better to make them in a box method or in a vertical method. How many digits total here? See 1, 2, 3, comma. So the number is here 60,000. So student, you will write the first number in a proper way with a proper distance. The next number is 4,000. Write that below to that. Start from left side to right, 0004. So the digit will not misplace and your addition will not go wrong. 600, 70 and 9. And now you have to add them. All these numbers you have to add. 00009. 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 4 is 4. And 6 as it is. So the answer is 64,679. You write that answer in a box downside the problem when you're over all the calculations and make it box. So dear student, this is a way to write the answer of the question. Those who are confident, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit, all in proper sequence. You can directly also write the answer. First digit as it is 6, 4, 6, 7, 9. But it's only possible when all digits are in proper sequence. If any digit is misplaced, your answer may go wrong. That time this vertical method is very, very important. When you write in notebook, you may make a box to write and write in a proper way. I hope you understand this question number 4 problem in a best way. Remaining 4 problem you will solve as a homework like this method. If any doubt, we'll clear that afterwards. Now this 3rd question I will complete in the next video so that our problem set 5 will get over. Today we completed 3 questions basic explanation. I hope you all are enjoying my teaching. You understanding my way of explanation. If any queries, ask afterwards. So students, I will complete my work here today's part. Be safe at your home. Take care and have a nice day.